Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough, it's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
So I'm going to use this as a reference. So this is if you want to see where we're at. I'm basically going to film in this area. The university, which I'll label in the title, is pretty close to here. We've got some pretty cool looking restaurants like Lobster City. Some really nice decor. And we're going to walk down this kind of seemingly busy street down this way. So we're going to check it all out. And we have our lights that are just coming on too. So it's kind of a cool spot. It's cool time to film. So stay tuned, and we'll show you a slice of Bangkok here. Bangkok, baby. So, okay, this is actually my last video of Bangkok for a little bit. I had a series of them, so I've been uploading them one by one, and this is, let me put it up on the map, but this is the last few of the series where I'm walking around the prominent university area and some of the main streets. So that's what this is all about. So that's there, and we're gonna go into the walk and talk. I hope you like the music. And I'm definitely going to go back to Bangkok again because I've been there maybe 30 times or more. So I'll definitely go back to Bangkok again and film some more. So just keep watching the channel. I'll definitely be back, but you won't see anything from me for at least 2 months. So, okay. Enjoy the walk and talk, Bangkok. So let me just kind of lean back a little bit. So that's Lobster City, and we're gonna start this as a starting point, and we're just gonna walk. You can see all these students over there, college students. Well, actually I can see them with my eye, but maybe it's not so easy to see them through the camera lens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk down this kind of busy street, see where it leads to. Kind of check out all the activity going on out here in the evening. Also, you got some nice, cool businesses. And lots of restaurants around here too. Cool. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking. yeah, this is a street I'm not very familiar with. There's a guy on a motorcycle. There's a river not too far from there, but I'm just gonna keep the camera straight ahead. Open cup. And let's just keep on going down. I see lots of street lights on this street. Lots of businesses. But we're kind of walking, I think, in a direction away from the university. I like how they have outdoor seating. KK Thai dessert. Okay. Another kind of cool looking, I guess this is a Chinese one. There's a lot of popular Chinese foods. Here's a cafe. And looks like this one is part of the same cafe. Kind of the barbecue style. Okay. So let me just see here. I'm gonna walk this way towards into the crowds a little bit. Got more Chinese restaurants. Nice nice decor. So I'm going to attempt to move up a little bit. These are little hot pot places. Okay. Different foods there. Let's keep on moving along. Hello, Thailand ice cream. Got ice cream and tea, 1997. There's some kind of Chinese temple stuff. Very Chinese. It's kind of interesting. They do give homage to the Chinese connections. Sun is just going down, so this could be the last video that I have of Bangkok. We'll give you a little different slice, I hope. Chiang Mai restaurant. It's kind of funny because a lot of the foreigners are out by Sukhumvit, but the roads are kind of in the roads a lot. But there's all these other areas of Bangkok where you're not in the road, so you actually have sidewalk, nice restaurants. And then you have a lot more of the, well, in this area you have the university students in particular. So it has a completely different feel. So Sukhumvit Road, which is like Nana and Asok, they very strongly appeal to a certain, like a tourist, basically. So they just try to meet all the tourist needs in that area, and they do a good job because it's very popular. Okay, so now we have a little stretch that might look a little bit boring, so I'll just jump up ahead. So we're moving along. Oh, Post Rock Festival That's having Chinese football. Kind of a cool looking bar. There is a whole other side of Bangkok, much different than the tourist areas, as you can see through this video. And so I guess this is called the filter room thing. It's like more cool stuff in Bangkok that I need to check out. So we're gonna come up and give it an ending up the corner here. Okay, so I guess if I want to give this a name, it would be Thailand Banthat Thong. And we're just coming out to the, this is probably my last video that I can film because of the nighttime. Getting a little too dark to film. But that was a street that we just did.
Bangkok, baby.